Now we are gonna start with the new chapter of this unit, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Basically in this unit, alcohols, phenols and ethers, they have been discussed as a separate topics. We also will be discussing it separately only. That is, we'll be discussing first of all about the alcohols, then we will be discussing about phenols, and then we will be discussing about the ethers. Now, in the alcohols, first of all we have the again nomenclature, then we talk about isomerism, then we talk about the preparation of the alcohols, then we have physical properties, then we have chemical properties, after that we have the applications of the alcohols. Similarly for phenols, we are having the same kind of things as in nomenclature, then isomerism, then preparation, then we have chemical reactions and physical properties, and similarly for ethers also. Now the nomenclature portion of alcohol or phenol or ether have already been explained in the nomenclature chapter. Then when we come to the isomerism, be it of phenols or of alcohols or of ethers, it again has been discussed in the chapter, that is isomerism. So what we will be discussing over here is the methods of preparation of these different types of compounds, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers, and then we will be discussing about its physical and chemical properties. After that we will discuss about its applications also. Now basically, first of all we'll start with the alcohols. In the alcohols, basically the objective of this chapter is to come across the knowledge about the alcohols and how we use different types of alcohols in the industries as well as for the commercial processes, and where can we what kind of the alcohol or what should be its concentration we should use in a different types of the industries as well as for the other commercial processes. So therefore, before going into the applications, before you know the applications, you should know that what are the properties of any given alcohol. Once you know the properties, now suppose you come across any problem or any project is there in which, or any industry comes to you that they want to design some plant or they want to produce something in their industry. So they will tell you their objective, that this should be the product or the commodity which will be producing in that industry, and that commodity they will tell you also about its where they want to use that commodity and for what purpose. So they will come to you people, they come to the chemical engineers to ask about the formulations of the different commodities, so that in that case, if suppose alcohol is to be used, then how much alcohol and how much should be its percentage and how much should be its concentration should be used for that particular commodity to achieve the objective of that particular industry.